Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're making a very delicious treat.
We are. We're making a very special cookie, which is, one of our specialties.
It really is a specialty of ours. We're good at cookies. I mean, I don't mean humble brag, but we're just really good at cookies.
It's true.
Tell them what we're making.
We're going to be making marbled chocolate and peanut butter cookies.
Hey, that sounds so good.
It is good. And the reason I like this recipe is because it not only looks good, but it tastes good.
They do look a little fancy. It's the marble.
It is a marble. And I have some tips and tricks to help you with that.
Tips and tricks?
I know.
Get out of town.
You just wait. We got 2 doughs to make, okay? So first we're gonna make the chocolate dough. Pretty simple cookie recipe, honestly, okay? So first we're gonna mix the dry ingredients together.
Okay.
All right, so we'll add the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and then a little bit of salt. Then we'll just whisk this together. Now we're gonna move on to the wet ingredients, okay?
Got it.
First we need to cream the butter. A little lower to start with, yeah.
Okay.
There you go. Go ahead and add the sugars, the granulated sugar and the brown sugar. Mix it up.
I've gotten so much better at this.
You really have. I mean, she was a hot mess. A hot mess when we first started baking together.
It was. You like the hot mess.
I do. Now, we're gonna add the egg and the vanilla. All right, now you're gonna wanna really mix this well.
Here, you go for it.
All right.
He's just so good at it. He's just a lot better.
That's looking pretty good. Go ahead and add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. So we're gonna add half of the dry ingredients.
Okay.
We're gonna mix it, then add the other half, and then add the milk, and then we'll mix it, and that should be it. Now we're gonna go ahead and cover this. So we'll wrap and throw it in the fridge for about an hour. Longer is better, especially for the chocolate dough. All right, so now we're gonna make the peanut butter dough. First, we're gonna add the flour, baking soda, a little bit of salt, whisk that together, butter and peanut butter. We're gonna cream those together. Now we'll add the sugars, granulated sugar and the brown sugar, and mix that up. Crack the egg in. We'll put about a teaspoon of vanilla and mix it up.
Mix it up?
Yeah. We're gonna add half of the dry ingredients and mix it a little bit. Then we'll add the rest of it, and you can mix it until it's like just combined, You don't have to overmix it. Second dough is done. Put some wrap on this, and we're gonna pop this in the fridge. If you're short on time, just an hour at least. All right, now the fun part. We get to make the marbled cookies. Okay. All right, so we're gonna need 2 scoops of the dough, okay? So we're gonna need 1 scoop of the chocolate, 1 scoop of the
peanut butter.
Okay. Now, the chocolate dough can get a little sticky, especially if you don't let it chill long enough. A little tip with the chocolate dough is that once you scoop it, you roll it a little bit in the sugar, and then make your ball. Okay, that way it doesn't get on your hands as much. You don't have to do it, but it saves a lot of hand washing. Go ahead and get a scoop of your dough. I'll get a scoop of mine. So I'm gonna put mine in sugar so it doesn't go too sticky, and then I'm gonna form it into a ball. We're gonna take the peanut butter and we're gonna make it into like a little flat disc, and then we'll put the chocolate on top, and then we're just gonna kind of fold it over in between like this, and then just kind of give it a nice, easy roll.
And then it's all marbled.
It's all marbled.
Hey.
Roll the sugar, plop it on the baking sheet.
Okay. This will be good for our next bake sale. Our kids always have a bake sale at school.
I mean,
do your kids always have a bake sale? There's always a bake sale. I know. It's like Valentine's. We volunteer to bring cookies.
Right.
Can you make them in an hour?
Can you make them today?
Wait. Okay, now, wait.
Tomorrow.
Now I fold it?
Fold it a couple times, flip it a little bit, and fold it the other way. Plop it in the sugar.
Okay.
I think that's going to turn out nice. And when they spread out, it looks really cool. Then you can really see the marbling that you did.
And they taste good.
Yep.
I'm really, really tempted to eat the cookie dough, but I know you're not supposed to, but I really want to.
We have edible cookie dough, actually. That's in the new cookbook. There's a recipe for edible cookie dough.
Right.
Okay? So just saying. So we're going to finish up the rest of these cookies and throw them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. You just want to check them around 10 minutes. We let the cookies bake, and they turned out fantastic. Yep. And then now they're cooled.
Now they're cooled, and that means we get to eat them.
We get to try one.
We went for the same one. Oh, this is our meet cute. If we were in a movie right now,
this
would be our meet
do
cute.
it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Look how beautiful.
I know it's a really cool design. They're not hard to make like this at all, and it's just they kind of feel special.
Give it a little shush.
Yeah, that's
all right.
Right.
Here we go. Cheers.
Yeah.
I mean, what's not to like?
No, they're delicious.
All the things.
They're so good. Cookies can taste good, but if they look good too, That's where you got them.
So if you want to move some cookies at your kids' bake sale.
Move over, Girl Scouts.
No, don't take on the Girl Scouts. Right. So you can find this recipe on bakingwithjoshandange.com.
That's right. And if you want to pre-order our cookbook, you can make this, which you should, because it's awesome.
Yes.
I'm so excited.
We're so excited. You can find that on our website as well.
Yep.
Thanks so much for watching today. If you make our recipes, tag us. We'd love to see it. And we hope you have a good one.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye. Tell them what we're making.
We are going to be making marbled chocolate peanut butter. No.
Nope, almost got it.
Okay, we're going to be making marbled. What's it called?
Can't say the F word, babe.
Do you want to take the lead on this? Think you can remember the steps?
No.
Okay, good.
Well, it makes it look... Oh, I heard a ding.
Oh, that's fine. Sorry. It's the ring through for the kids, you know.
Oh, are they okay?
Yeah, they're fine.
Are they texting?
Yeah.
From school?
Yeah.
They're not supposed to.
They're not supposed to have their phone.
Anyway.
Maybe a little bit more.
Yes, chef. Yeah. You said longer is better.
I did. Is this part of our adult show still?
We've just completely grossed out our children. All right, what's next?
I don't know.